In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off your Squarespace website efficiently and safely. This process from start to finish will take about 5 minutes, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Let's dive in. First things first, head over to the Squarespace platform. You'll want to start at your account dashboard, which is the nerve center for all your Squarespace operations. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see your site overview. This is where all the magic happens. Now, look for 3 dots that represent the settings option for your specific site. These dots are crucial because they open the door to many back-end features, including the one we're interested in today, turning off your website. After clicking on these 3 dots, you'll see a variety of options. What we're looking for is the one labeled Delete. It might seem a bit scary to hit that delete button, knowing it could remove your digital presence. However, rest assured, this step is reversible should you change your mind later, but more on that in a moment. Clicking delete will not immediately remove your site from the face of the internet. Squarespace wisely adds a few fail-safes to ensure you don't accidentally erase your hard work. So once you've clicked delete, you'll be prompted to confirm your choice. But wait, before you confirm, let's pause for a moment. This is a significant step. Once confirmed, your site won't be accessible to the public. Ensure you've thought this through, have backed up any content you wish to save, or have considered whether you might want to simply take your site offline temporarily instead of deleting it. Heading back to Squarespace's main page, it's crucial at this point to reevaluate your decision. If you're proceeding, you'll need to go through the login process once more. This could involve entering your credentials manually or utilizing a convenient feature like Continue with Google if you've previously connected your Google account for a faster sign-in process. After you've logged in, select your account once again. This action signals to Squarespace that it's indeed you making this decision, and not someone else who might have gained access to your account. Now here's where the road ends or begins. Depending on how you view the journey of web creation, you'll once again be faced with the option to click delete. This serves as your final confirmation. It's the point of no return. By selecting delete again, you're affirming your decision to turn off your Squarespace website. Remember, this action does more than just hide your website from public view. It begins the process of removing the site contents and settings. However, Squarespace retains your data for a short period in case you have a change of heart. It's always best to check the most current information directly with Squarespace for details on data retention and recovery options. Before wrapping up, let's talk about a few tips that might come in handy during this process. Always ensure you're absolutely certain before deleting anything. It can save a lot of distress. Keep backups of any content you may want to reuse in the future. While Squarespace is great about data recovery for a while, it's always safer to have your own copies. Consider if pausing or hiding your site might be a better option depending on your needs. Sometimes all you need is a break, not a full goodbye. To summarize, turning off your Squarespace website involves navigating to your account dashboard, finding the settings via the 3 dots next to your site, and selecting delete. Remember, this action requires confirmation, a relogin, and another confirmation to complete. While this process marks the end of your current site's online journey, it's also an opportunity to reflect on what you've built and what your next digital venture might be. I hope this guide has been helpful. Remember, the world of web design and online presence is vast and full of possibilities. Whether you're saying goodbye to an old project or making room for something new, the skills you've learned along the way are invaluable. Thank you for watching, and here's to your next adventure online.